Welcome to the Markowitz, Fenelon Bank, LLP video blog.
Really, everybody needs a will, and it's not something that you do once and put in a closet for 20 years. It's something that does need to be looked at relatively often. So making sure, definitely if you have children, making sure that you say in your will, this is what should happen with my children. That's going to help with a lot of heartache later on because you have passed away and now people are trying to fight as to where should the children go. And even if you don't have children, you want to make sure that your assets go how you want them to and not just how the state says they should. So if you pass away and you want everything to go to your spouse, put it in your will. It's a very simple will that can be drawn. If you have more detailed estate planning that needs to be done, that can easily be done by an attorney and all drawn out, and your wishes should be followed at that point. If you don't have a will, whatever the state says is what's going to happen. So we try to make sure that as many people as possible have their wills done and updated. Anytime you have either a business interest or property, you definitely have to plan. So even if you don't have a large estate, you have real estate that you want transferred in a certain way. Or, like I said, you have children who you want to make sure are taken care of after you pass away, and maybe setting up trusts or something of that nature to take care of them after you do pass. If you have a business interest, you need to be very careful that you are passing on the business interest to somebody who will take care of it and keep it operating and won't just waste the asset that you've spent your entire life building. You also need to make sure that the attorney that you pick understands estate planning and understands the entities that are going into your estate. So if you have an S corporation that is your business, there's certain language that has to be in the will relating to S corporations. Otherwise, you're going to lose your S status upon your passing, and that's an outcome that nobody wants. So there are many reasons to do it, and you should talk to your attorney and your accountant.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.